This 2021 Jayco Seneca Prestige 37 kelvins is a Class C RV. It is located in Winter Garden, FL 34787 and is offered for sale by Independence RV Sales. This used Jayco is 39 feet 4 inches in length and features 2 slideouts, a Providence Decor interior, Sleep 6, Skylight, air conditioning, external shower, self-contained, leveling jacks, TV, awning, slideout, stove-top burner, auxiliary battery, and 72 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class C features bath and a half, bunk over cab, front dinette, front entertainment, front kitchen, outdoor entertainment, rear bath, rear bedroom, rear entertainment. This 2021 Jayco Seneca Prestige 37 kelvins is built on a Freightliner S2RV Series chassis and is powered by a Cummins engine. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by Independence RV Sales, visit RVUSA.com.